There are multiple ways to turn off your iPhone 14. Here's how. Press and hold the side button and either the volume up or volume down button until the sliders appear. Drag the power slider to the right to power off your device. You can also bring up the power slider without using any physical buttons. Tap to launch the Settings application from your home screen, then choose General from the Settings menu. Tap to select Shutdown from the General menu. Then, drag the power slider to the right to turn off your iPhone 14. Please see the text version of this tutorial for more details, and remember to follow or subscribe to iClarified for more Apple news, videos, and tutorials.